Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Myra from Low Carb Love, and today we're gonna be making a traditional potato salad made with cauliflower. You guys are gonna absolutely love this for barbecues, as a side dish. Honestly, it's so close to the real deal, you'll never know you're using cauliflower. So we're gonna get started with our potato salad. I'm using obviously a fresh head of cauliflower. Basically just gonna cut off the little coli, the little end of it, the core. So I'm trying to cut out the core right now. Boom, boom, boom. So now you can literally just break it apart. I mean, you know, just depending on how big you want these pieces, but I'll cut it just so that you can see. But you can literally just break it. As you can tell, I like my potato chunky. So my pieces are a little bigger, but you're gonna go with whatever you like. If you like them bite-sized, teeny tiny, all of them like this, then you can totally do that. You're just gonna, you know, take a little bit more time to cut them, okay? I have my water already boiled. It just makes everything a lot faster because now we have our cauliflower. It's all chopped up, as you can see, little chunky pieces. So we're just gonna throw it into the water to cook. We have our cauliflower cooking stovetop. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just kind of be proactive here. We're gonna get our veggies all prepped. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish peeling the eggs. Okay, so now we're gonna cut our little olives. I already cut a few. All right guys, so we're getting our little strainer. I'm gonna put this over my sink. We're going to go ahead and strain it, okay? So let's go to the stufa. All right guys, so right now we have our cauliflower just hanging out right here so it can like kind of cool off because, you know, you don't want, I mean, maybe you like hot potato salad, but this, we want it to cool down a little so that it mixes well and doesn't like mush up, okay? So first we're gonna kind of get our little dressing going. So we have our mayo. Toss that into your bowl. Then we have our sour cream. And we have our mustard. So you can use yellow or Dijon, but Dijon is what we're going with. Okay, then we have our sweetener. Then we have some red onion. Then we have our pickles. So this is just dill pickle. Then we have our olives. Just gonna toss that in and let's give this a little mix. So with our cauliflower, again, you don't want it to get mushy. So what we're gonna do is kind of fold. Instead of just kind of mixing, we're folding, okay? We're gonna throw in our egg, hard-boiled egg. All right guys, so now for my favorite part of this entire video, we're gonna do the taste test. So I did sprinkle some paprika, no, actually some cayenne. And so that's gonna add to a little, you know, just a little kick. But this right here, 10 out of 10, 100%. It tastes like potato salad. If you miss potato salad, You absolutely 100% have to make this. I don't know if it's because I've been doing low carb for so long, but it just like tastes like real potato salad. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. I'm gonna link the recipe in the description below. It's gonna take you to lowcarblove.com where it's gonna be printable. And I also have exclusive recipes on there that you're not gonna find anywhere else on the internet. So make sure you check that out. And if you still want a little more of me, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. I share more recipe ideas and just a glimpse into my everyday life. Guys, thanks again for joining me. I cannot wait for you to try this recipe. You guys are gonna be so obsessed with it. And I will see you on my next video. Mwah.